Today I'm testing Flux 2 versus Nano 3. Flux 2 is newer. Nano 3 has been the creative powerhouse inside Photoshop, so I tested them side by side. Same prompts, same edits, real results, and honestly, I didn't expect this. Can you tell which is which? We'll be doing 3 rounds with the same prompt, plus a bonus 4th round. Let's get started. Okay, round 1. This one is a fashion shot in Paris. With Nano 3, this feels editorial. The whole scene has a stylized look, and the background and the subject feel equally treated. It's cinematic right away. With Flux 2, it feels more grounded, like it's really about the woman in the photo. Skin tones are more natural, lighting feels a little more realistic. Already, you can see the difference between the two. Nano leans a little scene forward, and Flux feels a little bit more subject forward. Round 2, Paris to Tokyo transformation. Here we're making an edit to change the previous scene to Tokyo. With Nano 3, the background is dramatic, but when you zoom in, the lighting on her barely changes. The edges look a little artificial and it feels more like a background swap. With Flux 2, this is where things shifted for me. It actually relights her a little bit. You can see all the neon glow and the edges look cleaner. Her hair is fine and detailed. She feels like she's in Tokyo. This was the first moment I thought, this is different. Round 3. Here we have a scene with a cinematic astronaut in a post-apocalyptic world. So for Nano 3, we get a very cinematic look and strong contrast. Feels like a movie still. Punchy colors. It pushes drama beautifully. Flux 2 feels more grounded. Lighting feels physically believable. Still creative, but very, very detailed. Here, it really depends on what you want. Nano gives you cinematic energy, and Flux gives you realistic cohesion. Round 4, the bonus round. I picked one unique skill set from each. For Nano 3, I did a sketch to realistic chair. This is a unique feature of Nano 3. I gave it a simple sketch and asked it to turn it into a dramatic pink and white chair. It created the structure, added materials, and included some believable lighting. This is one of the things I love most about Nano 3. The creativity is pretty amazing, and the number of things you could do with this is unlimited. Next, Flux 2. It has the unique ability to modify colors in an image to specific hex colors. So I asked it to change this background to exact brand hex colors, a pink and a dark gray. It nailed it. No distortion, clean, controlled color shift. This is where Flux shines. Brand safe edits and precision. And not only that, it's half the Adobe credits. So which one should you choose? Well, Nano 3 is still great for cinematic work, but Flux 2 surprised me. Detailed creativity, closer to the prompt, and half the price. In Photoshop, it's the one I'll reach for first.